today has gone nothing like I had hoped. I had hoped to get up early enough to put some parts on, make a quick video or two, load up the motorhome, get her gassed and propaned up, and none of that happened. I woke up a little late, decided to play some video games and eat cereal, and then I went to fill up the motorhome, and uh, there's a nozzle or a dial that's broken on there that we've been looking to get fixed, and this guy said that he could fix it, so we thought that was a win. Um, but he worked us in between, worked me in rather, in between customers, and it ended up taking like 4 hours. I then end up getting home, uh, and there's like this gravel extended driveway and water meter in that section of like the driveway, but we don't use it. And I drove over it, and like I think the water meter cement thingy is smaller than the hole, but like gravel's holding that shit up. So when I drove over it, it created like this sinkhole that like almost became like a disaster or whatever. Um, uh, so anyway, um, so nothing got done. I had to panic pack. No parts got added outside of, just grabbing the new helmet, and I'm not even going to use the Hans devices. I got to put my harness in before that. So I just literally grabbed my race bag, and I am a few minutes out from the track here. And yeah, that's it. A bummer, um, but I am on my way to my happy place. I got my motor home. It's all fixed up. That's awesome. Gonna hang out with some good friends, crash, and then wake up tomorrow ready to do work.